Okay, let's talk about Smriti Irani. What was she like considering her transition, from TV to now politics? What was your experience with her? What was she like back then?
So Smriti was one of the most professional actors. In fact, that now when I hear actors, and people complain and they say actors aren't professional, I say, thank God I came at a time when television started and, it was the beginning of daily soaps. In fact, Ekta is called the beginner of the daily soap industry, and luckily I'm part of history in that way. We'll be carved on stone that we made history by making daily soaps. So Smriti, Sakshi, Prerna, they were like pros. Like I said,
Yeah.
their only concentration was never about looking good or what clothes we need to wear. Never. They're coming on the set, they're sitting with the director, they're sitting with their script, they're jamming, they're discussing work, and not just them. Kyuki and Kahani as an ensemble were fabulous actors.
Yeah.
Like mind blowing. I mean, we used to sit like all shocked and flustered, that how did they do this scene? I mean, I remember, my God, like Sakshi and Om doing a scene, and we were like, we used to be like that, like with our mouths open, because we were very new in the industry and we would see such great performances.
They were one-take artists?
They were one take artists, means you just had to see the scene and they would know the gist and they would take it to another level, which is what you want in actors. You make a particular script and you want at every level it should keep getting escalated. A Sakshi and a Smriti would do that effortlessly.
Yeah.
And also I would give a lot of credit to the ensemble, because the people they were doing the scenes with were equally good. So there the competition used to be healthy, vis-a-vis now where it's almost like pulling the other person down.
Right, yeah.
Okay, he is bad, so chalo yaar, I will do my thing and not help. These people were helpers. I mean, today if an actor has say 15 scenes and 18 hours on the floor, a Sakshi would wait for even a new person to give her lines. So say today you're an actor and you have to give OS over me. You might not have the emotion to react with my spot boy standing and giving you the reaction.
Right. Obviously not. Yeah.
So a Sakshi and a Smriti, they would stand to give an OS to a one take artist. तो एक पान वाला आया कि दीदी वहाँ पे वो निकल गए भैया ये करने, वो खड़े होके देती थी. तो उस सब से बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. When you're a professional like that, you're doing, the other person used to feel embarrassed. Yeah. So if 2-3 other people were frivolous characters, they would be like, oh my God, ma'am is here, जिसके नाम पे show है, let us also wait. So that was a good inspiration. That was a ripple effect in a good way. But now I've heard it's in the other way. It's negative, That one is going, so why should I wait? I am also going.
Right. Yeah.
So it's like, you don't want to deal with it now after like 20 years of getting that and now dealing with this.
That's
so it's unfortunate.
Yeah, after having that level of stardom and you still want to make sure everything goes intact.
And I've heard that even today they do that. Even today.
I'm sure.
Humility is what will take you places. I mean, Smriti, if today she is in politics in that particular position, it is a lot to do with her being people's person. And her humility.
I agree. Yeah.